Conditioner Blossom Fresh. Dobling bango. Tumatagal up to 14 days. Ano susunod na? Ito pa, conditioner. Congratulations, ha? Sir, Fabric Conditioner Blossom Fresh. Meron bang bayan na yan line? Kulay! Bumili ng Bear.
Bagong Surf with Fabric Conditioner. Binibigyan ang damit ng paulit. Ulit. Ulit na halimuyak ng bango na kakagana sa bawat laba. Bagong Surf and Fabric Conditioner. 5 pesos lang.
Tic-tac is colorful, colorful and fruity, fruity and playful. Tic-tac, more than you expect.
Bumili ng Bear Brand Adult Plus. Ilaki pang isang empty pack kasama ng inyong complete details. Ipadala sa drop boxes nationwide. Kaya sali na!
Mayayanig ka! Sa best ever bango ng new Surf Fabric Conditioner Blossom Fresh. With double boost perfume capsules. Para sa 14 days na. I-partner with Surf Powder para sa mas mahaba-haba mo na up to 4 weeks. Tiny is the new mighty. Have a blast with the new Polly Pocket Water Games and Flip and Reveal. Bring your A game with the Polly Pocket Water Games. Just add water and push the button to land the accessories on the target. Gather round, animal friends. The Flip and Reveal opens to fun wildlife features you can flip and rotate. Enjoy a mighty time with the tiny Polly Pocket Water Games and Flip and Reveal. Shop online through Lazada, Shopee, and kidscompany.com.ph.
Cocoa Crunch. That chocolate deserves the ultimate protection. Oh no! Miss Black.
Nothing can stop me when it comes to Cocoa Crunch chocolate.
Throw the pedal. It's all that chocolate that makes every petal of Cocoa Crunch taste so good. Cocoa Crunch, the great chocolatey taste.
Feel the thrill of racing with one of the 3 Hot Wheels pullback cars in selected Nestle cereals.
Anong mga to?
Ano itong kakaibang halimuyak? Nahuhumaling sila sa kakaibang bango. Reyna ng ilaw, saan nagmumula ang kakaibang mundong bango? Galing sa powers ng Surf. Kakaibang linis power. At may blooming na bango. Naaamoy niyo na ba ang bango ng Surf Cherry Blossom?
When you choose wellness, your kids choose it too. So choose the Nestle Wellness Promo Packs. Get 3 grams, products, and freebies. Plus, free nutrition consultation. Get yours now. Choose wellness, choose Nestle.
Picture this, our world-famous fries, a honey banana McFloat, and the new cheesy burger McDo. The Despicable Me Trio, here for a limited time.
Isang nakakatiring krimen, tirang pagkain na ligid sa face. Ang salarin. Kaya mag-joy. Wala nang pahig-pahig, kaya walang tira-tirang pagkain. Isang patak lang, tapos ang dumi. Case closed. Mag-joy!
Nasaan po ang gatas? Gatas! Coco Crunch? May gatas na!
Ang Coco Crunch All-in-One may Nestle Milk na. May chocolate breakfast na masustansya. Coco Crunch All-in-One.
Sisig Rice Bowl Part 2. Now with more chicken skin and more toppings. KFC Sisig Rice Bowl. Meron pang gift up mula sa Sir Fabric Conditioner Blossom Fresh. Doubling bango, tumatagal up to 4 days. Ano susunod na?
Congratulations, ha? Sir, Fabric Conditioner, Blossom Fresh. Meron bang bayan na yan?